tell you what we're doing just now. We're trying to run down to breakfast quickly. Tasty fit. Let's go. Came down to breakfast just in time. Didn't get any eggs today, but there seems to be some sort of hash brown with the buns and some sausages. So, yeah. So we've had breakfast, and it is Monday morning, and we have just left the hotel. We are about to go do our PCR test to ensure that we regain entry into Trinidad. And after that, we're going to do something very, very, very exciting. And I'm very excited to bring you guys along with us for that. So it's going to be my first time. And I'll show you guys when we do it. Okay? But let's get swabbed. So right now we are in Uber. And we are to the subway, not the food franchise, an underground train line in Panama. The metro, yes. So we are very excited. Well, I'm very excited about it. As I said, we've been for this time, and we don't really have a destination. We're just doing this for the purpose of experiencing it, because I really just wanted to ride a train. And found out that there is a train, there's a metro. So we are on our way. It's about a 15-minute drive to the metro station, and then we'll figure it out from there. We see, I don't know, we'll see what happens. So we are at the metro station. I'm not even going to lie and tell you all that this was simple or easy. It was very, very difficult. We took an Uber to get here, and it was a whole thing. Anyway, the language barrier is strong today, but let me just show you guys what the metro station looks like and where we got our tickets from before we head up, right? We're on a train. Let's hope this is not taking us to some place we don't know.
Yeah, no. So last stop we got on the first time in City. And then you had to come back.
Yeah. Let's hope this goes well. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so we just oh wow, we just came to the first stop, which is Cinco de Mayo, which is really funny to us. That was like a few minutes Yeah, I don't really know how fast the train is going, but that was a few minutes, so that was cool. So the next stop is Loteria, then Santo Tomas, then Iglesia de Carmen, then Via Argentina, FDV Cordoba, El Ingenio, 12th of October, Pueblo Nuevo, San Miguelito, Pan de Azúcar, Los Andes, and final stop is San Isidro. I'm going to say that the right way.
Próxima estación, Lotería.
Yeah, so you see, we are already at the other stop. So, yeah. Alright, so the subway is above ground. This is fun. Look at the tracks.
Próxima estación, 12 de octubre.
12th of October, baby. Oh, so this station is above ground as well. What fun is this? Oh, look, an next train. Hello, train. Listen to me, it's the quickest in and out you ever did see. They do not wait. It better be ready. I'm glad we came out. We get to see some sights. Hey guys, so we just came off at the final stop, which is San Isidro. How do we get to the other side?
I know, but I was wanting to see how long it was.
Oh, that's how long it is. Go, baby, go. Yeah, so we have to get to the other side. I think we're going to go back to the second to last station. There was a mall there. So we may just go back there, check out the mall, and then catch back the train and then go to the third to last station with actual station, because I think there's a second line there. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I hope you guys can hear me.
You know those coming down too?
Yeah, thanks. Take a picture. Anyway, that's okay. Oh no, we may not get back our seats. Alright, so we got the train. Back. We're gonna stop out at Los Andes. We'll walk around the mall a little bit. We are at the Los Andes Mall. Right off the station. That's the station. This is the mall. It was all quite fun. We didn't.
Listen, somebody paid big money to get a train station to come straight into your mall.
You know. We did not plan on coming to the mall. And as always, we don't plan on spending any money, because that was not our focus of coming to Panama. But it's here, so we might as well explore. We have nothing else planned for the day until dinner tonight. So why not? Let's see. We're still at the mall and we just came across this this store. Seems to be a department store, and the prices are not bad. The prices are pretty affordable.
Just like the people.
We agree. We all agree.
Yeah. So it's so cheap.
It's really good.
Like
I like
the
that.
euros.
Yeah, it's some pretty good prices. I didn't even see the name. I think the name of it is El Campeon.
Really?
El Campeon. So the name of the store is El Campeon. So we're just walking around with, as I said, we didn't plan on shopping. I guess if the prices are great enough, we may, but we didn't come for that. So we will see. But I just thought I'd let you guys know that we found a really cool store. So we just came up the escalator to the women's section. And it's vast. That's for sure. It's women and children. So it's not just women. But yeah, let's look through and see what we find. Alright, so we are now in the inside of the mall. And it's a much different vibe, much different aesthetic. We have some levels. We have some nice stores. Whew. So we are trying to find the food court. Alright, so we're at the food court and unfortunately they don't have anything new for us to try. New companies, that is. So we're just going to have McDonald's, but at least we're going to try something new at McDonald's. We're going to have the McRib. So Kai is ordering and I'm just sitting here. I am extremely tired and I was just telling him when I get back to Trinidad, the sleep I am going to sleep, ridiculous. I'm really tired and my feet just won't stop hurting. What a trip. That is not me complaining at all. Yeah. Alright, so let's check this out together. This is the McRib. Alright, so that's what it looks like. What do you say, Bob? It's very saucy. My hope is that we took a McRib with cheese, by the way. My hope is that there is not bone in here. I don't know how the hell they're doing that, but I don't want to bite into bone. I'll tell you how it is. Alright, so we are at the San Miguelito station and we are on our way to line 2, which is going to go in a different direction. Let's see. I'm trying to figure it out. So let's see. Trying not to get lost. It seems to still be under construction. So we will see how far this line takes us. I don't know. We'll see. So we are about to come to the end of the Eastern Line. We're going to come out at Niue Tokumen. I think we're kind of close to the airport. But yeah, we're going to come out, go to the other side and go right back down.
So the future line over to the airport?
Yes, we saw the future line because the airport I believe is still under construction. So that would be cool and very convenient when it's done. I love the vision. It's wonderful. What he said. So we just got back to the hotel. Excuse my face, I've been wearing a mask all day. Our train adventures were pretty good. And then our taxi adventures. It's how our taxi man looked like he was trying to figure out where to go. But, oh well, we're here, we are safe. We are tired, but we are good.
You know, public transit adventure.
Yeah, public transportation adventure. Woo, whatever. Okay, it was fun for me. I enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it, Kai?
I would like to create a petition to remove all coins from...
Yes, so guys.
Those coins are stupid.
We will see what we end up doing later. The plan is to do dinner. Yes, and I think we're going to go back to the old city for dinner. I'm excited about that. I want to dress up and look nice and go to dinner and be out and about. So, until this evening when we get ready and go to dinner, bye. So, about to go to dinner. And I am very excited because I've been wanting to wear this dress for the longest. Where's the back? None found. Oh, this dress is too cute. This dress is everything. Yes, your girl looking like $1,000,000 today. So we're about to go to dinner. We're heading to the old city and we're just waiting for our Uber to arrive and we'll head off to dinner. Let's just bring you all along. Need my dress. Hi, so we are at our restaurant. This is what it looks like. Guys, it is so gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. And we are sitting right by the bar and we have a really great waiter so far. And I'm just excited for this food. I'm looking forward to this food. It's so... That speaks English. It is so gorgeous. So we're just excited. A little something on the house. I believe this is cilantro sauce, and this is like a spicy mayo or spicy mustard or something, so it's quite nice. We're on to appetizers now. We have some fish tacos, and look, there's a flower. By the way, those cassava fries just now were really good. And the sauce is fit, so he left us the sauce. But let's get our fish taco on.
Some other guy?
Our entrees are here. We both ordered the seafood pasta and it smells delightful. It looks really great too. So we're about to dig in. Ooh, get the steam rising off of that. We are about to dig in. Let's enjoy this. Guys, so we just got back to the hotel from our lovely dinner at Primitivo. It was so good, and shout out to our waiter Frederico. He was really nice and a good waiter. Right, we had a really great time. The food was excellent. We really enjoyed it. We got to take some nice pictures, we got to look cute, and just look nice and just have a really good last night in Panama. So we are extremely tired and extremely full, and I think we're just about to, wash up and go to bed. But I will see you guys tomorrow for our last day in Panama. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys tomorrow.